Today we are playing Peckin Pixels. Like, subscribe and leave a comment down below which game you want to play next. And let's begin. Okay, would you like some help? Yes or no? I've never played this game, so I'll type yes. Here's your first signal. Click her to wake her up. Okay, wake up. Give her some personal, drag her to the hut and give her some makeover. Okay? Chickens love to eat corn. Open the order book and buy a box of corn. Okay? I'll open the order. Some corn. Look, the corn is delivered. You can also sell things using the other conveyor. Drag the box off the conveyor and then place a couple of corn on the grass. Put it back here. Okay, I did it. Now hey, oh, doesn't notice what. Hello? Aw, she's going over to eat it. She'll become Brody's mouse. See her stats. The green bar is how much she's eating. And pink bar is her Brody's. What does Brody's mean? Probably because. Wait, what? Can you go away? Oh, go, okay. Go and eat. You have a baby. Let's eat. Eat. So that this darn mouse can go away. Mouse, please go away. Look, that symbol means she's about to lay an egg. If she's not in the nest, her pink bar is almost, and she laid an egg. Move her back to the yard and have a look. I wonder if it has a chick in it. Drag the egg to the weighing machine to check. Okay, does it have a chick? Yep. It does contain a chick, but put the egg into the incubator. Empty eggs can be sold in the incubator. Now look, it's incubating. Now we have to wait. Okay. Don't like waiting. I'll wait. Look, it's incubating. Now we have to wait. I don't like waiting, but I'll give you some corn. The chicken hatched. Okay. If it hatched, if we want the chick grow into an egg, we'll have to feed her. Or just some chick food from the old egg. Okay, let's chick food. Chick food. Now I have zero money. Great. Just like with the corn, place some chick feed for the incubator for the chick to eat. I put like one chick food. Keep feeding the chicken. Let's see what's going to happen. Mouse to over this process. Okay, he needs more corn. You have a baby? Yeah, go on. Oh, he's turning back. Okay. He laid an egg. But I should measure it. Hooray, the chick has grown into a chicken, but both chickens into the yard so they can meet each other. Okay, go meet it. Okay. Got a new chicken. Come in the yard. I'll sell you. Don't sell. Maybe I'll put this there. Here go. And I put this in here. Okay, now it's ready doing all this work. Eat that. Eat. I force you. Soon it will be like so much that we can't even see. So if you want part 2, like, subscribe and comment down below if you want. So, you're not growing up. Hey, you're not growing up. I'll give you a darn box of them. Is anyone growing up? Nope. Eat the corn. I dare you. You eat the corn. I'm not having enough food for a baby. You must have a baby. People, we must have a baby. And I sell this box. I need someone to have a baby so they can. What is it? Chicken. Going. Okay. Crown. Oh my god, I can dress my chickens. Oh my god. She has a leg. Go in there. I think the bar should be there. No, let's just do that. Pink bar. It's a corn. Oh, it's about corn. And it. Oh god. Egg. Okay, he laid an egg. Now it's a white egg. Okay, it's a chick. Crop. A chick food in there. You want a chicken? Okay. Chicken. Not chicken. Oh, you wanna? You're a kid. Okay, you want a chicken. Oh, he just laid an egg. Fantastic. I need to measure the egg. Oh, I need to sell this egg. You're not mother. They both did it at the same time. Let me just put this right. Claim 700. Okay. I put a new egg. Okay. Now, what is your egg? Is it going to be a chick? Nope. I have to sell. Hey, you have been here for so much time. You want chick? I said eat it, chick. Eat it. Okay. You're gonna grow up by time. Until that, I'll buy some corn. And I don't have enough money. I think I have one more chick food left. But I do have two packets of corn. Put that corn in there. Yeah. And put this corn. Eat it! Eat this! It's your prize. Eat it. Eat it, darn chickens. I'm gonna get the corn out there. Okay, so who's your baby? Who wants to be a mother? No one? Okay, yes. Not yet. Does anyone want a baby? A chicken. No, nope, nope, nope. Oh, here's a baby. Go before the baby dies. Here's it. You. Oh, here's babies. Not do you have a baby? Nope. Okay, he laid a baby. Oh, you're still not a mother. So, go. I need to sell these. So, thank you for that reward. What's in the note? So, sell a chicken. Own 3 chickens of different colors. Incubate 2 eggs at once. Okay. I think I can lay down and measure. You're not a mother yet. Maybe I'll put some more corn. Okay, this corn has finished. So I'll put this back in. Did that chicken just run over in the box and just ran away? Oh my god. Who's the mother? Who's the mother? You. Hey. Are you a mother? No. You're your mother? No. You are a mother. You're a mother. Is anyone? You're a mother. If anyone else is a mother, I'm sorry. I don't have more incubators. Nope. No one's. Okay. You laid an egg. You laid an egg. One of them is to sell. Now, this one is to sell. Now let me just get you out. Bye. Have a good time. to grow up. Eat it! Eat it or you're dead, chick. Okay, I'm lying. He's not gonna be dead. Okay? That's just a chick. Wait, I need to sell a chicken, they said. I don't need this white chicken, so I'll just sell him. Bye. I sell the chicken. I sell 3 chickens in different colors. Sell a chicken. I already did that. I'll sell the chicken. I want 3 different. I only need 1 more different color. 2 eggs at once. How do I even do that? Oh, sell a chicken. Egg. How do I incubate 2 eggs at the same time? Will you grow up? Okay. Let me just dress all of you up. So you, he's the king, and you're gonna be the fruit guy. Bye. And you are gonna be a kid. Yep, the kid. And you are just gonna be a girl. Okay, now. And you are gonna be his dad. Okay, dad. Now all of them are almost dressed. You go in there. Where you gonna be? You have a chicken hat. I mean, bunny hat. Yeah. But what else can I put on? I think I can put this on him. Roger, sir. I found him. Yep, that will work. Yes, no, why? That's so cool. That's like a movie character. Okay, guys. So this is the end of the episode. If you want to see more episodes like this, leave a like and subscribe and comment down below. Bye.